Hi, in this video, I will show you how to create a workflow in Pabbly Connect to send leads from hundreds of Pabbly supported apps to Saleshandy. So first of all, go to Pabbly Connect and click on the create workflow. Let's give a name of this workflow. So for demonstration purpose, there are hundreds of applications available in Pabbly Connect for a trigger. For a demonstration purpose, I will choose HubSpot CRM. Okay, here I'll select the event as new contact added. Click on connect. I have already connected HubSpot CRM with Pabbly Connect, so I'll choose that connection. Okay, I'll just paste it. Okay, so this connection is successful. Next, here in the action part, you have to choose Saleshandy. So first of all, let's search. Yeah, here we have. Okay, and here in action event, select create prospect and click on the connect. So now you are supposed to, we are trying to add a new connection to Pabbly Connect. So I'll give a name. Now let's go to settings, API key and create API key. I am in the Saleshandy UI now. Settings, API key. Click on the create API key. I'll just click copy and go back to Pabbly Connect. Paste it over here and click save. Alright, now it is connected. So now let's try to map the fields. So first name, here I have last name, okay, email. I'm trying to map HubSpot fields with Saleshandy. There are other fields as well that you can map. And if you wish to add this prospect contact created in HubSpot to a Saleshandy sequence, then go to Saleshandy sequence. Here. Let's say I want to add to first step of this sequence. So I will copy this step ID, go back and just select this and paste it over here. So I will just paste it. Yes, so whenever new contact is created in Saleshandy, automatically add it to this step ID of a sequence. Here you can choose what you want to do and click save and send test it. Yes, so we get successful response. Click on save, done, and make sure that it is turned on.